Hey, hi guys, good evening.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, my screen is visible. Right.
Hello.
Okay, it's visible right now.
Yes.
Yeah. So you are completed yesterday task, guys. How we can use to that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is that what we had completed last class, guys. Can you remember me?
Okay, for callable statement.
Callable statement using to the procedure concept, right, guys? So how we can create a procedure in MySQL database and how we can insert the data by help of to that procedure. So we already completed that part, guys, right? So procedure callable statement, yeah, is that completed yesterday, last class. Okay. So that, yeah, guys, you are completed to that. How we can use to that. Insert the data bunch of record, how we can insert by help of to that what, guys? There is a add batch method is there, right?
I have one problem.
You are completed it.
Yes, but the result. Some of the users will get
What you are getting that error?
but
uh,
application.
Duplicate data, right?
Yes.
Yeah, duplicate, you don't no need to use to same data, you can use to that other data, right? This is that one user, guys,
Yeah,
right?
I make it different.
Yeah, value are given to the different, right? Yeah, that's all. Okay. Yeah, today we can discuss what are the concept has left, guys. Prepare statement, callable statement, these three interface has completed. So today, what are the four steps? Yeah, there is a, I think result set is the right, guys. Result set. What is the purpose of we can use to that result set? So guys, you are good into that. Which one is that super interface, child interface? You are good into that area, right? You should be read it, guys. Otherwise, you are not able to remember. And what is the purpose of statement object? What is the purpose of prepare statement object? And what is the purpose of callable statement object? I am going to give in very clearly in last class. So guys, today, and I'm going to give in that notes also, guys. You people can check. There is a interface comparison is there. What is the difference between statement, prepare statement, and callable statement, right? You people can read it, guys, right? And that how we can create a statement object, how we can create a prepare statement object, how we can create a callable statement. I'm going to give in that very clearly difference also, right? Today we can discuss about what, guys? Why it is getting it? Name start one recording. Okay. So there is a concept word, guys, result set. What is the purpose of result set? One where we are going to use into the result set object also is there. That what, guys, statement object, prepare statement object. It is returning what object it will be returned, guys. Result set object it is going to returning, right? Can we see to that where we can see? You people go and check into that where, guys. This is that callable statement, right? Callable statement, prepare call method, it will be written into that callable statement. But if I go to that any other JDBC application, when we are going to inserting the data, retrieving the data, at that moment, yeah, types of connection statement. Yeah, we can go to that types of statement object. There is almost I'm going to give in two types of statement object. So in that what guys, I'm going to give into that what is the purpose of statement result set. You people can check here guys. Prepare statement, callable statement is there. Sorry, statement object is there, and prepare statement object also is there. So that prepare statement object, it is returning to that what guys, statement object only. See here where it is, prepare statement object, it is going to returning to that result set object, it is going to returning guys. So by help of that result set reference variable, by help of that reference result set reference variable, we are setting that getting the data guys. What we are going to get in the data by help of that what data guys, result set object. So we can get that data, we can get that clarity with that word guys, one of the application we can develop. And what is the purpose of result set object, we can see here guys. I'm already, this is that result set object is that in starting day one application onwards, that result set object it is going to give it as a return type guys. By help of that result set object, we are going to which data, which field we are going to retrieving that reference variable, take that reference variable helping, and we are getting the data guys, right? So we already use into the multiple times, but we are going to discussing what is a result set. You people can check here guys, that result set is a result set. The result set object represent the results of database queries in JDBC. It provides methods for retrieving and manipulating data returned from a what guys, SQL query. That result set, see here guys, what it is going to doing, what it is going to talking guys. When you are going to retrieving, see, when you are going to use into that prepare statement data execute query. Guys, execute query is that method. Executive query is that method. That method, it will be returning that word guys. It will be executing to that database SQL query guys. Database SQL query, it is going to executed, and it will be holding to that what object it is going to holding the data guys. Result set object it is going to holding. What is the result set of reference variable? This is that prepare statement result set is that reference variable guys. This data hold into that database query result guys. Database query result is nothing but, so what is the database query result, I will show you guys. You people can concentrate here, how we can how that result set object can be storing the data SQL query data, I will show you, right? So when I'm going to using to that select star from, when I'm going to using, see here guys, this is that query, this is that query guys. When I'm going to use into that select star from home clean dot users, so it is not my data, where which table we are going to using guys here, which table we are going to developer db we are going to using guys, developer db. See here developer db, right? I'm going to first of all, I need to use the developer DB guys. So there is a command is that use a developer DB. Developer DB is that database name is there guys, right? It is involved. It is entered into that developer DB table. So in this table, there is a table is there guys. What are the table name? Which table we are going to using? Employees table we are going to using guys. So you people can check here guys. When I'm going to write into that select star, when I'm going to write, executing that this query, select star from, select star from what guys? Employee is that our table name guys. Select star from, select star from employee. When I am going to using to this table name, that is that all the, what is that here getting to that error because of employees, right? Table name as a employees. see here guys, when I'm going to executing this data, it is going to read what guys, this data is executed, this table data it is going to showing. So this kind of, this is that result, right guys? This result can be holding in JDBC. Which interface we are going to using guys? Result set interface. Result set interface can holding this data guys. This is that SQL query data can be holding by result set object guys. Guys, you are getting or not? It is right. Yeah, see here guys, this is the line is going to talking what the result set object represent the result of a database query in JDBC. It provides methods for a retrieving and manipulating the data written from what guys, SQL query. So when I'm going to see here guys, this is the result set reference variable. This is the result set reference variable. By using that result set reference variable, there is a retrieving purpose. We are going to using what method guys? Get a string, get int is that method available in which class guys? Result set class. That class can be given to what guys? This method can be providing to the getting the data from that database table fields guys. Fields data it is going to retrieving by help of to that get a string get into method guys. So it can be holding the data as a prepare statement. That prepare statement one all how many field is there? All the fields data I'm going to retrieving, and it can be storing in where guys? Inside that prepare statement only. That prepare statement I'm going to executing, I'm going to use SOPL statement. I need to print the data by help of that result set data guys. So that is a reason I'm going to using what object guys? Result set object, right? This is that result set object. What is the purpose of result set? You already getting that from day one onwards guys. But what is the exactly purpose is nothing but it can be holding to that executing that date executing that SQL query, and that data can be storing into that result set. By help of that result set reference variable, we can retrieve in the data, we can do some operation, we can insert the data and we can retrieve the data, right? By help of that result set object guys. So you people can check here guys, there is a using statement object. How we are going to use into that statement object? You already know guys. How we are going to create in that result set object? Statement connection dot create connection data create statement is that one of the method is there guys. See here, this this is that reference variable of connection object, and this is that create statement is that method guys. When we are going to using to this method can be returning to that what guys? Statement object it is going to returning. But by help of that statement object, by using to that help of that statement reference variable, what we are going to doing? We are going to execute into that what guys? Database queries guys. This is that database query. Select star from employee is that database query guys. When I'm going to executing this query, that data means that execute query method can be returning what object guys? Result set object it is going to returning, right? By help of that what guys? By help of that result set reference variable, what we are going to do in here guys? We can retrieve the data as a field data, and we can insert the data for the field. You people can check here guys, you people can check. So this is that one of the way we can do. And there is a what guys? Prepare statement object, how it is going to using, you people can check here guys. So we using to that we are using to that what guys? It is a connection data prepare statement prepare statement is that what guys? Method is there. That method expecting to that query param guys. This is that query parameter, nothing but SQL query only. SQL query it is going to expecting, and when it is going, this query is executed, that prepare statement object it is going to creating what guys? Prepare statement object it will be returning, right guys? So that by help of that prepare statement object, there is a what guys? This is the reference variable. This reference variable, when we are going to executing that query, what is the query is there, guys? You people can check here, guys, that execute query is there. PSTMT means prepare statement object. By help of that prepare statement, we are going to executing what, guys? Execute query is that method, right? That execute query method, when we are going to using that execute query, see here, guys, there is a execute query. When we are going to using prepare statement object, it is not able to expecting to that any parameter. But when we are going to using to that statement object, that execute query, we are going to using what, guys? What query. Otherwise you can write to that, if you are using to that instead of that prepare statement object, you can use the call, what, guys, statement object also. But what is the returning, what it, that execute query method, what it is going to returning? Result set object it is going to returning, guys, right? So that result set object, by help of that result set object, we can retrieve that elements, guys. We can retrieve the element from to that field, guys. Database table fields we are going to retrieve, right? So types of result set, there are three types of result set, result set based on their ability to scroll and update the data, guys. See here, guys, there is a type forward only, type and scroll, what, guys, insensitive, and type scroll sensitive, guys. So what it is going to representing is nothing but is going to represent the cursor can only move that forward in the result set, guys. This is that what result set it is going to forward into that, it is going to move that forward direction, guys. Forward direction cursor, guys, you are good into that cursor concept in collection framework. There is a cursor, iterator, list iterator, enumerate, and enumerator is that interface is there. Are you good into the good into that concept, guys? There is a next method, yeah, iterate. There is a cursor concept available into that Java collection framework. Do you know that concept? If you know that concept, there is a, what is cursor? See here, the cursor can only move that forward in the result set object. It can be moved to that forward direction, guys. I will show you how it is going to move to that forward direction, so you people can understand. But if you want to understand these things, then you should be what, guys, recollect that concept, what, guys. There is a cursor concept is that cursor concept, you should be go and check into that, where, guys, in Java collection framework. Okay, so what we have to do, common, what are the common methods we can use to that of result set? You people can check here, guys. There is a next method is there, previous method is there, first method is there, last method is there. What is that next method, previous method, guys? What it is going to provided, what is the use of this? See, guys, next method, what is the purpose of next method, guys? Next method, it will be identify that what are the next field data. It will be go move to that next, guys. See here, how many record we are going to retrieving, guys. There is a 3 record is there. That next method, it will be, first of all, it will be collected ID. After that, it will be checked to the go to that next method. So that is that name, and that next method it will be go to that address, guys. Until completion of that field, that next method it will be move forward. But when we are going to using to that previous is nothing but what, guys? Previous method is there, first method is there. First method is nothing but what, guys? See here, this is the table, right? So in this table, which one is that first record? If I want to retrieve a first record, then we can use to that what method here, guys? First method we can use, right? I will show you that, guys. And what is the purpose of, there is a last method is there. What is the purpose of that last method? If people can check, move that cursor to that last row of scrollable result sets is there, guys, right? So this is the first method, it can be moved to that first row, and that last method it can be moved to that last row of that database tables, guys. And see here, guys, there is a before first, after last, absolute. So get in it, get string. So this is that method, guys. So this is the method available into that result set object. Then how it is going to invoke, you people should be checked, guys. So I'm already given to that word, guys, how it is going to invoke with the first method, guys. You are already using to that next method, right? You are already completed with that next method. When you are going to using to that retrieving the data from the database table, at that moment we are going to retrieving the by help of that what method, guys? Next method only. But you people can check here, guys. I'm going to returning the data, guys. How I'm going to returning the data by help of what method, guys? I am going to returning to that first row of that in database table, that column, that table, first row I need to retrieve by help of what method, guys? First first method, guys. So can we see, guys, this example? Can we implement this example, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So what we have to do, instead of that, there is a callable statement, prepare statement only. Yeah, only two is there, right? Callable statement. Callable statement I'm not able to using here. So I'm going to using, there is a already retrieving the data or not. I will check it is. Yeah. See here, guys, it is inserting the data. No, I need to retrieve the data. Yeah, we can take this only, guys. I'm going to taking this only. So I'm going to use in, see here, guys. This is that next method. This is that next method. It is going to filtering, retrieve the data. What, guys? How many record is there? All the row field it is going to retrieve. But I don't want retrieve that all the data, guys. I need to retrieve only single first record, guys. So what we have to do? There is a word, guys. This is that statement object we need to use. Create statement object we can use to that word, guys. This is that what, guys? Result set dot type scroll insensitive result set conquer conquer underscore road underscore only read underscore only. So, guys, when we are going to using to this uh, when you are going to using this object, at that moment we can retrieve the data as a single first record we can retrieve, guys. So you people can come here and you can implement, guys. I'm not able to you are not able to confuse, right? That previous example, you are not able to confuse here, right, guys? Prepare statement.
Yes.
Yeah. So what we have to do, instead of prepare statement object, what should I to do, guys? I need to create a statement object, guys. Statement object, how I'm going to creating, you already know, right? So what should I to do? Connection dot connection dot there is a word, guys. Create statement is that
Yes.
create statement is the method is there. In this method I'm going to passing this, guys. This is the tag cursor, right? That statement of it will be give to that word, guys. What object it will be give? Statement object it will be give, guys. So that statement object, by help of that statement object, we are going to execute in that queries, guys. What is the purpose of that statement object? Executing that queries. So instead of I'm not able to using this prepare statement, I'm going to comment it this line. So I need to take, there is a, what are the method is there, guys? I'm going to use into that statement dot execute query. Execute query is that method is there, guys, and it is expecting what object it is going to expecting, guys. Execute query method is that expecting what? Execute query is that method expecting what, guys? Select star from employee, we need to what is my table name here? I'm going to using to that word, guys. Select star from employees is that my table name, right, guys? So it will be returning to that what object, guys? Result set object, it is going to returning, right? So what should I to do here? I'm going to returning to that data here, guys. I'm going to returning the data. So for that when I'm going to using to that execute query that method and using to the next method, guys. So how many table, how many record is there? All the record it will be retrieved. But I don't want to retrieve that all the data, guys, but I want to retrieve to the only one data. I will show you to that single record. First I will show to that all record, and after that I will show to that word, guys. As per our requirement, we need to show to that word, guys. Single record first row. I'm going to use into that what method here? First method. So first method it will be give what, guys? First row of that table I will show you. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to, but this many field is there, guys. There is no this many field is there, guys. So what we have to do, what is my developer db table name, guys? You can check developer db table name is that a developer entity. I think developer entity are having to this many data, guys, right? So this many data I need to check. So what should I to do? I'm going to using this is that a table name, guys. I'm going to use into that table name as a select star from developer entities. So this is the data. It is almost in the 10 record, 10 field is there, guys. That 10 fields data it will be retrieved. So what should I to do? I'm going to running this application, guys. I'm going to running this application. Then it will be retrieve to that all the data from the database. You people can check here, guys. See, this is the data. How many data is there, guys? How many data available inside that data table? All the data it is going to retrieving, guys, right? But I don't want to use retrieve to that all the data, guys. I what is our result set object? That result set object it is going to give in there is a method. I don't want to use to that entire data. I need to use to that only first record I need to retrieve, guys. So what is the method name? First is that method is there, guys. Means when you are going to use into that first method, that it will be give to that only one record, guys. You people can check what is that our first record is there, guys. This is that first record, right? First one is that this is the id number, user id is that one. This is the data it will be retrieved. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to returning running this application and checking, guys. Okay. So first method I'm going to using execute query. That first method means it will be give to that only one data, guys. Are you observing it? It is only first record it is going to return. Is not actually there is a, it is returning to that only first record, but it is looping to that until completion of that all the fields, guys. That is the reason it is going to getting this many times, right? And we are going to use into that while loop, right? So while loop it will be iterate to that how many fields is there, those many times it will be retrieved, right, guys? So this is the way we can use to that we can use to retrieve the data, guys. Okay, I don't want to use to that first record. I need to use to that last record, guys. What is that last record? You can check here, guys. You can check there is a last record inside that my database 554. This is the data is available, guys. So I'm going to running my application one more time. So I'm going to using to the Java application. It will be return. It will also see here, guys. It will be give to that last record only 554 is that user id. It is going to retrieving to that while loop, guys. Okay, guys, you are getting or not? It is.
Yes, sir.
You are getting, right?
Yes.
This is the way we can retrieve the data, guys. Execute query. Execute query is that while loop we are going to using, and it will be give to that what guys, returning the data, right? So this is the way we can use to that last method guys. So you can try with yourself guys, what are the methods is there, that method you can check it guys. So what it will be good give to that for previous method, we can check previous method, it will be give what guys, what is the, if people can check, previous is nothing but what it will be give, move that cursor to the previous row. Previous row is nothing but what guys, if it is first of all that data is available or not, will be checked. So I'm going to using to the tab previous. So you people can check what it will be written. Yeah, yeah. I'm going to getting the data, which data here guys. Execute query. Get into is that row number 1, but index position 1. Index position is that first row. So that is the reason it will be give. Yeah, we can check it. Previous is getting the data as a what is previous data is nothing but which one I retrieve in that previously, that data it is going to getting before first, before last, we can use it. Before first, the mismatch cannot convert a while to boolean. Yeah, okay guys, so that there is a what guys, it will be give to that before last is that what guys, there is a separate operation we can do by use of that this method guys, but you should be check with that one by one guys. I already given to that some methods, and you can practice with that others guys. This is that only learning point of view we can take it. Real time scenario we are not able to use to the JDBC application to develop applications. We are going to using, there is a framework is there, that framework we can use, right? And what are the advantages of that result set is there, and how it is going to what are the considerations it is I'm going to give in here guys. See here guys, there that what is the advantage of that result set, easy to retrieve and manipulate data returned by a query, and support various methods to navigate and update the result set, and provides methods to get the data in different format. Example, get int method, get string method is there, right guys? This is get int method, get string method. See, this is that get int method, get string method available in where guys? Inside that result set only. We are getting the data, we are setting the data also, right? So this is that what guys, result set object. What is the purpose of? We can use the result set. So you already getting some clarity of that result set object, right guys? So see here guys, this is that scrolling, right? Forward. We are using type scroll insensitive. You people can check here guys. Type scroll insensitive, right? We are going to using. Okay guys, this is that result set object. We can go to that next concept. What guys? Result set metadata. What is result set metadata? We can go to the tomorrow classes guys. You can practice it. Okay. Yeah. So almost what happened guys, that which one is that major important concept that has completed? This is that, yeah.
Can I go through this?
Yeah, you can go. You don't have that link. You don't have. Yeah, how you are going to developing that application guys? You are gone through that webs videos.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, you can use that what guys website also, no problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So guys, we already covered to that few topics into that JDBC, but is this is that important? Which one is that important? What are the operations we need to do by using help of the JDBC? We completed, but we need to learn few more concept. What is that result set metadata, database metadata? We can learn tomorrow, guys, right? And after that, there is a 2 or 3 concept is left inside that word, guys, in JDBC. Already that batch processing also we completed, right, guys? That batch processing, how we can uh, store that multiple data. So we already completed, right? So that concept we already completed. We are not able to come again back, right? So that next tomorrow concept we can go for to that result set meta database. Okay. Yeah, you can practice it, guys. Then you will get that clarity. What is the purpose of as a JDBC? JDBC it will be talk to that word, guys. Entire database related things only. Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you, guys. We will see tomorrow.
Okay, sir.